Okay. Well, I want to say, what's cooking good looking? You should see my wife at the dinner table. Can you chew with your mouth closed? Thought we were just a heating company. We're an eating company. That's right. Don't be egging me on. Chef Jeff with Eating Green. First episode. It's getting toasty in here. You can tell we've got our stove heater going. First time. It's looking good. We're going to flip this over. We're going to get some eggs going and some bacon going here. So let's see how it works out. A little bacon. Oh, look at that. Just like better than home. Better than Teflon. Get some eggs going. Exactly. We like to eat at Eating Green, so we thought we'd have some fun here and do something creative and show how hot our heaters can get. Let's see what this one's at. Whoa, a cool 348 degrees. That's warm. About the same temperature as your skillet at home. Oh yeah, can't forget this. One of our prized possessions. World's best boss. You don't just get this at Value Village, you gotta earn it. Look at that, big surface area. Let's see how we're doing here. It's gonna take a while. Smells good. So truth be known, while this can cook an amazing meal, and this is not just this is not the end of the episodes. We're gonna be doing probably stir fry, pancakes, things like seasonal things, you know. This is actually our Cove heater, which the Cove heater actually goes where the wall and the ceiling meet, or up on the ceiling. So while this is hot right here, it does a much better job up higher, but we thought we'd have fun for the viewers at home. Oh, here we are. Gotta put a little salt and pepper, a little seasoning. Let's see how it came out here. Food tastes better at work. I'm good. Hey, just would like to say thank you so much for watching. This is Chef Jeff from Eating Green. Appreciate you watching. Go to our website, heatinggreen.com. You can see our fine heaters for indoor and outdoor commercial residential applications. Until next time.